Good morning, everyone. How are you all doing?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you, ma'am?
I'm doing good. Thank you very much, my dear students. Yes, very good morning, everyone. My dear students, before we begin the session, let me make sure that, yes, good morning, everyone.
Morning, ma'am.
Please make sure that you are ready with the literature workbook part 1. Literature workbook part 1. Are you ready? Yes. The pencil box. I request everybody to mute their devices.
And this one?
Okay, very good. So let me begin the session. Yeah. Yes, I can see the book that you are trying to show me. Good children. Please take page number 1 of the same book. Page number 1. Here in exercise 1, it is about word dictation. Word dictation. That means we have to read the spellings of the given words aloud. Read the spellings aloud and overwrite on the dotted letters given there. Did you notice the words printed with dotted letters? Dotted letters. So what you need to do here is write on the dotted letters. You have to write on the dotted letters. Did everybody understand? Yes? Okay. Patrick, I cannot see you clearly. Patrick, please come and sit in front of the device. Okay, is everybody ready? Okay. What is the first word? I want Joanna Rose to unmute and read. Joanna, please read the first word on page number 1.
The
No, I want you to read the spelling and then read the word.
one. D-O-W-N.
How do you read it?
The one.
Not down. Down.
Town.
Down.
Town.
Not down. No need to stress there. Down.
Town.
Down. Yes, very good. Down. D-O-W-N. Down. D-O-W-N. Down. I want everybody to write on the dotted letters. D-O-W-N. Please write on the dotted letters. It is there on your book. In your book, sorry. It is there in your book. D-O-W-N.
Ma'am.
On page number 1. Yes, Vaiga, what is it?
Ma'am, using crayon.
Sorry,
Using crayon.
I cannot hear you, my dear.
She said crayon.
Down. Ah, yes, yes. Okay, done. Adya, please unmute.
D. Yes, ma'am.
Adya, please read the second word, number 2.
We
The
have
writing
to
work,
write.
Vaiga, I think you asked about the writing work, right? That you may do with the pencil. Pencil. That is enough. I was not able to hear what you were asking me. But now I saw you doing it. It's okay, no problem. Use the pencil, my dear.
Which one?
Yes, Adya. Please read number 2. The word at number 2.
Ma'am.
Yes, Dhyan.
B. Which
Page number. English Literature Workbook Part 1. Part 1. Page number 1. Yes, Adya, please read the second word.
B-R-O-W-N. Brown.
Brown. Very good. One more time, Adya.
B-R-O-W-N. Brown.
B-R-O-W-N. Brown. Okay, very good, Adya. Now, please overwrite on the letters of the word brown. B-R-O-W-N. Brown. Yes, Srihari. You have completed the work? Very good. Very good. Eric Saji, unmute. Eric, please read the third word. Number 3. Okay, Aiden. Aiden, good job.
N-A-K-E.
Mm.
Make.
Louder.
Make.
Make. M-A-K-E. Make. Very good, Eric. Thank you.
Thank
Please
you, ma'am.
write on the dotted letters. I want everyone to do it. M-A-K-E. The dotted letters are given to you. Please write on them. Overwriting on the dotted letters. Patrick, unmute. Read the word at number 4. Number 4.
M-A-K-E.
No, number 4. 4.
H-A.
Yes.
H-A. P. P. P.
P-P.
P-Y. Happy.
H-A-P-P.
Y.
Y. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. Yes. Very good, Patrick. Very good. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. Thank you, my dear. I want you to sit in front of the screen so that I can see you
Ma'am.
clearly.
Ma'am.
Yes, Jennifer. What is it?
Which page number?
Page number 2. Now we are moving to page number 2. Till now we were writing on page number 1. Now we move to page number 2. Please take page number 2, my dear students. Page number 2. Ready? Okay, Jennifer, are you ready? Please read the 5th word, number 5. Jennifer, read the word at number 5.
Ma'am,
Yes?
my cannot
Sorry, I
bear.
cannot hear you. Page number 2, word number 5. I will show you the page. Maybe then you will be able to identify. Can you see it?
Not book not taken, ma'am. Now I will take.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Take your time. Helen, unmute. Helen, unmute. Helen, please read the 5th word, number 5.
J. U.
Yes.
M. Y. P.
No.
P.
Once again,
J. U. M. P.
how do you read the word?
Jump.
Jump. Very good. J-U-M-P. Jump. Can you jump me and show how do we jump, Helen? Oh, that's cool. Very good. Jumping. Do you like to jump? My dear students, do you love to jump? Okay, let's do one thing. All of you stop writing. Keep the pencil on your book. Stand up at your places and jump. Jump. Come on. Very good. Some lazy ones are still sitting. Srisham, come on. Very good. Dave. Joanna, come on. Okay, good. Very good. Let's sit. Good. Let's clap for each of us. Each one of us. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Did you enjoy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we need to bring back the energy into us, right? Okay, let's continue with the work now.
Yes.
Now the 6th one. Fahim, unmute. Fahim? Yeah, read the 6th word. Fahim, I cannot hear you. Yeah, read it. C-O.
O.
Yeah,
U.
not yell. L.
U.
C-O-L-O.
U. R.
How do you read the word? C-O-L-O-U-R.
Green.
Sorry? Color. Color.
Color.
Yeah, C-O-L-O-U-R. Color.
Color.
C-O-L-O-U-R. Color.
Color.
Color. Okay, good effort, Fahim. Thank you. Vedika, can you hear me? Unmute. Vedika. Read the word at number 7. Oh, Vedika is facing network issues, I guess. Okay. Vedika, can you hear me? Please read the word at number 7. No. Vedika, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, yes. Okay. Then please read the word at number 7.
S-U-N-N-Y.
How will you read that word? How will you read that word, Vedika? F-U-N-N-Y.
Funny.
Funny, yes. F-U-N-N-Y. Funny. Do you know the meaning of funny?
No.
No? Okay, I'll tell you. Something or someone who or what makes us laugh and enjoy, makes us feel happy by laughing and enjoying is called funny.
Funny.
Funny. Okay. In the first lesson, we saw that Rex the dog was playing a guitar. We enjoyed looking at it, right? So that is something that makes us laugh and enjoy, which will be called funny. Funny. Okay, Vedika? Okay, good effort, my dear. Well read. Thank you.
Rex is funny.
Rex is funny. Yes, yes. Aida, unmute. Please read the 8th word. Aida? Yes. Read the spelling. Read the spelling, Aida. I cannot hear you. Yes, B-O-N-E. How would you read? Very good. Who chewed on his bone, Aida? Do you remember?
Yes.
Who?
Rex.
Rex. Very good. Rex chews on his bone every day. Yes, am I right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good girl, Aida. Thank you. Okay, so we have completed the first exercise on overwriting the spellings of words. Now I'm going to share the screen. I request all of you to be on the same page number 2. Now we begin with exercise 2.1, which is about looking at the pictures given there, identifying them and completing their spellings. What are we supposed to do here? We have to identify the images given there. Images or pictures given there. Then we have to understand what it is. We have to think about its name and overwrite on the spellings of the given words. Did everybody understand? When we do it, it will become clearer to you, okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Is everybody on page number 2? Yeah. Christabel, unmute and read the first one. Identify the figure. Tell me what it is. Christabel, unmute. Unmute, my dear. Yeah. What is this figure that I have circled here? you can read these dotted letters.
Ma'am, can I?
No, Christabel, I'll give the other students a chance in between. Please wait. Christabel, read fast. I want you to read these dotted letters here. F-A, yeah.
A-C-E.
F-A-C-E. Face, very good. Where is your face, Christabel? Can you show me your face? Yes, you have a beautiful face, right?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay, good girl, good girl. Face, thank you, well done. Now I want everybody to overwrite it. F A C E, face. F-A-C-E, face. F-A-C-E, face. Now everybody knows where their face is, right? Show me where is your face. All of you show me where is your face. Touch your face and show. Touch your, yes, face. Good. Okay, very good. Drisha, unmute and read the second word.
Bird.
Spelling, please.
B-I-R-D. Bird.
Very good. B-I-R-D, bird. Can you tell me the names of two birds, Drisha?
Crow, dove, and a hen.
Crow, dove, and the hen. Okay. Which one of these is your favorite?
Dove.
Dove. Okay. Can you tell me the reason? Any specific reason that you love doves? Doves.
Because my favorite color is kind of white and the dove is also white.
White in color. That's fantastic. Very good reason as well. Good job. Thank you, Drisha. Vedika, Alankrita, switch on the video. Dhyan Madhav, unmute. Try number 3. Number 3.
H A N D.
Not yen. N.
Hen.
Not hen. N. 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 The letter is N and it says N. N.
Hen.
Hen. H-A-N-D.
Hen.
Hand, yes. A says A. H-A-N-D. Hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. How many hands do you have, Dhyan?
5.
No. How many? How many?
2.
Yes, we have 2 hands. 2 hands. Good effort, Dhyan. Thank you. H-A-N-D. Hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. Thank you, Dhyan. Aiden, unmute. Try reading the 4th word.
D O O R. Door.
Door. D-O-O-R. Door. D-O-O-R. Every house has a door. Every house has a door. Okay. When somebody comes visiting, we open the door and welcome them. Right? Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Well done, my dear. Jewel, unmute. D-O-O-R. Door. When you are overwriting on the letters, I want you to read the spelling and write it at the same time. D-O-O-R. Door. Yes. Jewel, please read. Let's move to exercise 2.2. I want Jewel to read the 5th one. The first one, sorry. Number 1, exercise 2.2. On page number 3. Jewel, I cannot hear you. Please check the speaker.
F
Yeah.
H.
Yes.
Fish.
Fish. Not fish. Fish.
Fish.
Fish. Very good. F I S
F I
H. Fish.
S.
H.
Fish.
Have you seen colorful fishes, Joel? Colorful?
Yes.
Yes. What color fishes have you seen?
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay, good. And what about any other colors?
Red.
Red. Are you speaking about a goldfish?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Good, good. Okay, my dear. Thank you. Srihari,
Welcome, ma'am.
unmute. Yeah, okay. Srihari, read the second word.
Girl.
Spelling, please.
Girl.
Very good. G-I-R-L.
Girl.
Girl. G-I-R-L. Girl. Good boy. Thank you, Srihari. G-I-R-L. Girl. Has everybody completed overwriting on the dotted words till the second one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay.
Ma'am, I have finished till third.
Okay, okay. Good, good. Alankrita,
Ma'am, I
unmute.
am finished.
Alankrita, read the third one.
Ma'am, I am finished.
Okay. I want everybody to mute their devices now. Alankrita, please read the third one. Once again.
C-A-K.
C-A. C-A-K-E. How would you read that word? Cake, yes. C-A-K-E, cake. Do you like cakes, Alankrita?
Yes.
Yes. Which is your favorite flavor?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Okay. So here we have a chocolate cake for you. Did you like
White.
it?
Yes.
Yes, Srihari said something. Okay. Thank you, Alankrita. Very good.
Thank you.
Okay. Badri, please read the fourth word. Yeah, read. Badri, unmute.
Yeah.
Yeah, read. Spelling.
D-U-C-A-K.
C-K. D-U-C-K. Which word is that? Read the word. D-A-K. Duck.
Duck.
Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck.
Duck.
D says D. U
Duck.
says A. C-K. K. Duck.
Duck.
Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Okay. Badri, can you tell me what is the sound that the duck makes?
Quack, quack.
Quack, quack. Say louder.
Quack,
Where is
quack.
your energy?
Quack, quack.
Quack, quack. Quack, quack.
Quack, quack.
Yes. Okay. Is your brother helping
Quack,
you?
quack.
Okay. Good, good. Thank you. Yeah. My dear students, now we have completed exercises 2.1 and 2.2. Next, we move on to exercise 4.2, which is on page number 8. Page number 8. Please take page number 8. Please note that we will not be using the grammar portion given in the workbook because our school has our own grammar book, right? So we will not be using the grammar portions given in the literature workbook. Got it? That is why we are not doing those exercises. Understood, everybody? Are you all on page number 8? Page number 8? Yes. Okay. Vaiga, unmute and read the first sentence. Here we have to once again read and trace the sentences.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You have to overwrite all the words given here. Please read the first one, number 1. Yes.
I have.
I live. L-I-V-E. Live.
Live in.
I-N.
I am in a house.
Very good. I live in a house. What is this image of?
House.
House. This image is of a house. So, did everybody notice the 5 options given on top of the sentences? So, out of that, we have used the first option. So, we will put a tick mark on the option that has been used here. House. Put a tick mark on the word house. I live in a house. Good effort, Vaiga. Thank you. Johaze, unmute and read the second sentence. Johaze.
She choose on with.
No, number 2. Number 2. 2. Yes. My dear students, please note that you have to overwrite the complete sentence.
I have a dog.
I have a big. You missed out one word, my dear. What is B-I-G?
Big.
Big, yes. I have a big. Now identify this image. What is this?
Dog.
Dog. Very good. So take that word from here and write D-O-G. Dog. A full stop is already there, so no need to put. I have a big dog. I have a big dog. Okay. Good effort, Johaze. Thank you. Gayatri, unmute. Read the third one. Adya Rahul, please sit straight and write.
He
Yes.
choose. He.
Yes. Continue.
B-O-N-E. Born.
Bone. Very good. He choose. C-H-E-W-L-S. What is the meaning of choose? Gayatri? Do you remember the meaning of choose?
Chewing gum.
Chewing gum.
Bite and eat.
Bites and eats. Yes. The meaning of chooses, bites and eats. He chews on his. What is the answer, Gayatri? Say the answer once again.
B-O-N-E.
B-O-N-E, bone. Yes. B-O-N-E, bone. This image here is of a bone.
Bone.
Yes. Who likes to chew on his bone?
Rex.
Remember? Yes. Rex likes to chew. Rex loves to chew on his bone. Okay, good effort, Gayatri. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Ma'am,
Yes. Who called
what
me?
is written
Where?
next to the end of that word?
His. H-I-S. Which word are you asking about? The bone?
The last word.
Bone. B-O-N-E. Bone. Before that is his. H-I-S. His. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. He chews on his bone. Did you complete overwriting, my dear students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Aisha, unmute and read the fourth sentence. Aisha, unmute. Yeah, read the fourth one.
We
G-O.
go
Hmm,
to park.
to the.
Go to the park.
Very good. We go to the park. Why do we go to the park?
Play.
To play. To play. Yes, very good.
Play.
Okay, we go to the park. We go to the park. Okay, thank you. Asia, read the next one, number 5.
My dog
Yes.
in runs.
My dog runs. Yes.
My dog runs after a ball.
After
A ball.
it's not a. Read it as a. A ball. A ball.
A ball.
Yes. My dog runs after a ball. My dog runs. R-U-N-S. Runs
Runs
after. A-F-T-E-R. After a ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. Good effort, my dear. Thank you. My dog runs after a ball. Okay. After completing the overwriting part of both these sentences and all the other sentences also, I want you to take the crayon box. Those who have the crayon box with them, please take the crayons and color the pictures given here. Color the pictures on 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All these pictures. Color the house, color the dog and the bone. But my dear students, while coloring also, I want you to think and color. For example, are we supposed to use red or green or blue color for the dog? Have you ever seen blue colored dogs, green colored dogs, or red dogs? No. No. So we must think and color accordingly. Yes. Brown, light.
Brown.
Yes. Okay. So you must think that and color. And while coloring also, I want you to shade it in a very neat way. Try to shade in a single direction or the same direction. Then it will look neat. For the house and all, you can use any colors of your choice. Like this, shade in one direction. Otherwise, it won't look uniform.
And what should we color?
These images given next to the sentences. Did you notice?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, the house, the dog, the bone, the park, and the ball. I I can hear somebody speaking in Malayalam. Please don't do that. Mute your devices, all of you. My dear students, have you been able to understand how this was done? Yes, do you have any doubts? It's simple, right? Very easy. We have to just identify the images, find out their names, and fill in the blanks. There is nothing much difficult here, right? Eric Saji, please do the work yourself.
Yeah,
Yes. Do the work yourself. Do it. I want to see you doing it. Okay, my dear students, those who have not completed the work, please complete the work and then get up from your places. Okay. Is that fine? I'll be sending the notes to you in the group. It is time for me to wind up the session now. Yes? Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. See you in the next class. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.